Don't be scared to cook fish at home. I used to be you. I totally get it. I would only eat fish in a restaurant. That's super expensive. So I'm gonna show you my foolproof recipe that I got from a chef. It works every time. Follow along. Okay, I'm gonna show you my easy breezy, don't be scared salmon. First of all, I'm using wild Alaskan. You know how I feel about wild versus farm fish from Butcher Box. Comes in this great little vacuum packed package. Pull it out of the package. Here's one of my tricks. You want to take a little paring knife and make a couple of little, that was a very smart, probably shouldn't cut salmon in my hand. Let's put it in the pan, Deb. So I'm going to make a couple of little slices on the back, on the skin. And what that's going to do is it's going to make it a lot easier to pull the skin off after the salmon is finished cooking. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to do a drizzle of avocado oil, everything but the bagel seasoning, and then I'm going to pop it in my toaster oven, 425, 8 minutes. Foolproof, I promise. Dinner in 15 minutes. That is my favorite kind of dinner. Read the post below. I've got a great coupon. Butcher Box is offering my listeners coupon code below.